Oh yeah, you want this smoke. Applewood bacon, and it's peppered.
Delicious.
Look how crispy yet soft that is. Okay, let's make some. We got some bacon from the deli. Use an old pan, cover it with foil for easy cleanup. Racks are cheap. Drop this in and your grease will just drain off. Now here's the secret. Let's unroll that thick cut Applewood bacon. This is peppered as well. You can buy this by the half pound, full pound, and it's way better than that flimsy bacon in the prepackaged packs they sell.
Aw, boo!
Lay your strips out side by side. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. There's the bell. We'll go ahead and throw these in. 15 to 17 minutes later. Our first round is done. Let's take these to the table and grab a fork or tongs to flip them. Be careful, cooks. They'll be hot. We'll speed the video up as we're just flipping all of them so they'll cook evenly, and let's throw these back in the oven. And if you're scared of getting popped from cooking bacon on the stove top, this is the best way to do it. You're just flipping it and it's only hot temperature wise. Let's go ahead and throw this back in the oven. And as you can see, your oven may have 2 levels. So if you're cooking for a lot of people, you can turn your pan sideways and you can fit 3 more in there this same size. 10 minutes later. Now if you like soft bacon, you can stop here.
Hey, let me get one.
No, not yet. We like ours cooked and crispy, so we flip them one more time and we throw them back in for a final round. This will give you that crispy, crunchy, all the way cooked but not burnt bacon with that great bacon taste but no grease and easy cleanup. Let's go ahead and throw these back in the oven for the final time. Five minutes later. There it is, cooks, perfect bacon. And if you're cooking for a big family or for a get together or the holidays, you can do 2 or 4 trays of this in the oven all at one time while your cooktop is free to cook other things like eggs, hot sausage. Don't forget to check out those videos when you have some time, or subscribe. And also, this is so all of your food comes out hot at one time and you don't have to risk popping yourself with bacon grease cooking on the stovetop. Rinse your rack off right away and throw away the foil for easy cleanup. And you're done.
I know y'all see them glistening. Transferring your slices to a paper towel surface before final serve will actually help to drain that last little bit of bacon grease that you see. And finally, for all you bacon lovers, this one's for you. Time efficient, perfectly chewy with that crispy edge, and meaty. Breakfast begins here, so feel free to pair with your other favorites. One last blot shouldn't hurt. And enjoy, y'all. As always, thanks for cooking with BNT.